Okay, so let's do Gaia portal walkthrough. As we know, Gaia portal is advanced web interface for Gaia platform configuration. You can do almost all system configuration tasks through web based interface, which we call them Gaia portal. So system settings such as IP address, ARP detail, time detail, NTP detail, messages, banners, routing, advanced routing, NTP, DNS, DHCP, SNMP, backup and restore, updates, all these things can be done through Gaia portal. And how you can log in, you need to type the management IP in the browser. It support almost all browser like Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Apple Safari. So if you have these browser, you can type the management IP with HTTPS and you can log into Gaia portal. So let me log in admin and admin at 12345 and let me log in. So this is Gaia portal. Okay, so now I'm in Gaia portal. If you go in the corner, it's mentioned Gaia portal. So you can log into Gaia portal through web browser. Okay, where you can configure such as network management, system management, which has time, SNMP, proxy, messages, banners, system configuration, system log, all those things, and routing, advanced routing, DHCP relay, all these things, user management. You see, you can configure all these things through browser, okay, which is called Gaia portal. Now coming to, in this Gaia portal, there is powerful search engine as well, which is called search tool. You can find the configuration easily, which we will discuss. Also in this Gaia portal, there are two operating mode. Okay, we will discuss those two mode as well, which is here. So one is basic, another one is advanced. We will discuss about this one. Okay, and a lot of other thing we will discuss in Gaia portal. So I'm logging with HTTPS, type the IP, management IP of security gateway, and you can log in. Now the first thing is there is a toolbar which we will discuss. Then there is a search tool, and this side there is blades, and also system overview, which is called overview page, and navigation tree on this side. So let's go to Gaia portal. On the top is mentioned open server because the platform we are using is open server. It will show you which platform you are using, so it will mention on the top corner. Then this the name, the host name of this device, which is GW-SMS, means gateway and SMS. I give them this name. So whatever your host name, it will be show here on the top left corner. And here this is called toolbar. On this toolbar we have three things. One is configuration log. We will discuss in detail, but it's here configuration log. If there is a pencil icon, it means that you can read write as open. If I click here, and do you want to read the log? Yes. So now you see there is a log. Configuration is log. It means I cannot change anything. So it's read only now. If it is a pencil icon, it means you can do the changes, read, write. So I mentioned this one here. So it's here. If it is there is a lock like this one, it means you are in read only mode. If there is a pencil icon, it means read write mode is enabled. Okay. So in this toolbar we have configuration log. After that there is open terminal. You can open the terminal, the clash of this Gaia. So you can log in with admin and admin 8123445. So it means the terminal is also available through a Gaia portal, which you can access and you can do whatever you like through CLI. And this toolbar we have third thing, which is called Scratchpad. You can copy paste the thing, you can write a notes, and you can do a lot of other thing, whatever you like to write something. It's like a notepad, you can say. So this is toolbar. After this toolbar we have a search tool, and search tool you can find, suppose you are searching here and you want to find out something. Suppose I need DHCP, just write down DHCP and enter. It say there are two things available, DHCP server and DHCP relay. Which thing you need? Suppose I say DHCP server, and you see it take me directly to DHCP server. You don't need to look here, you can easily find here. Suppose I need a route, enter and it will show you which route, OSPF, BGP, and so many options they will give you related to route. Okay, as if I need SNMP, and enter and it take me to the SNMP. Sorry, I need to type this was route SNMP, and you see there is SNMP. So just click on SNMP and it will take you to the SNMP configuration. Let me go back to overview page. So this search tool is very powerful. You don't need to look after and the things, and you don't need to search here. Just type here and it will take you there automatically. Now after that there is the user who is login, so it's admin, and after that there is a small sign. When you click, it will sign out you from here, and you can log in back with the same user or with another user if you want. So you can log out from here. And the last, there is checkpoint Gaia portal, that you are using Gaia portal, and this is our topic. After that there is a blue line as mentioned, manage software blades using smart console. If you want to manage these blades, okay, we discuss these features. If you need these features to use them, you need a smart console to download, which we will discuss in next video. So you can download smart console from here. Also you can download smart console from checkpoint website, and also you can download here as well. If I go down, there should be smart console to download, and let me go to, it should be at the end, and yeah, yes, here. So you can download from here, and it's also mentioned here to download smart console. It's a exe file to download and install in your window, and you can access the security gateway through this or the security management server. After that we have two mode here, you know, as mentioned view mode. We have basic mode and advanced mode. These two modes are available. By default advanced mode is enabled. If you say basics, it will show you only few things. Okay, let me so in basic you see only few things are available up to this point, and if I make them advanced, it will show you more configuration. And now let's see, a huge configuration is now available. And if you don't need, just click on this arrow to minimize them. If you need again, just click again on this arrow and you can change the mode. So these are the two view mode. Now coming to what is this is called. This is called navigation tree. If I go back, I mention you here. This is called navigation tree, and from here you can choose anything and you can minimize them as well. So if it is like a minus, it means it's expanded, and let me do it like this, you see. And if you need network management, so just click and it will show you all the configuration related to network management. So this is called navigation tree. Next thing we need to know is overview page. This is overview page, system overview. Here is mentioned that the checkpoint security gateway. It means I mention these things here, which thing is installed, so it will show you. So install product, for example, checkpoint security management server, or maybe checkpoint security gateway. So in this system overview, it will show you which product you have installed. So it's showing me that you have installed checkpoint security gateway, and this the version R80. We are using this version, product version number like R8, and this case is 14. Now again there is a kernel like in Linux, because this is Linux based. So this is the kernel version, you see. So I mentioned here kernel edition, and also kernel version. So we are using this one, and this is the edition of kernel 64-bit, and we have 32-bit as well. And this is the build number, and this is system update. It will show you system uptime, that for how long this system is up. So it's 13 minutes. And software update, it will show you the recommended software update. If you click, it will take you to the system update here, and you can install the update whatever you like. So this is system overview, where you can see which product you have installed, what is the version, what is the kernel version, what is the kernel edition, build number, system uptime, and then software update, and the platform you are using. So because it's a virtual environment, so I say platform is open server. So this is called system overview. You can minimize them as well. Just click and it will minimize. After that, there is a network configuration. Network configuration, it will show you the interface's name, IP addresses, IPv6 addresses, and link status. So all my interfaces are up and they are configured. Okay, because I'm using this topology, so 4 interfaces are up and it's showing me here, and the IP addresses. And if you want, so you can click here. Next is a memory monitor. So I mentioned here memory monitor, graphical display of memory usage. It will show you the memory usage. So it's showing me this line. Okay, and the same way you have throughput. It will show you the throughput as well. And there is another one as well, which is CPU monitor. So it will show you the CPU usage. Okay, and then packet rate. It will show you the packet rate. Okay, these are called widgets, and these widgets can be enabled or disabled from here, like a system overview. If you don't need the blades, uncheck and there is no blade anymore. And if you need the blades, click and it will come up. So now you can see blades widgets is available. So from here you can enable and disable. You can remove the widgets and you can enable them from here. So these are some widgets. Another widgets is blades. Basically blades are features which we will discuss in detail later on, but anyway it's available here as well. And Gaia portal, the one which is in blue, it means this blade is enabled from smart console. So because we already enable firewall blades from smart console, that's why it's showing me in blue color, and rest of them is gray. It means these blades are not enabled. So if you log into smart console and you enable this blade, because if you want to configure blade, you need a smart console. So that's why this one is blue and rest of them is gray. Again, if you don't need, just here. And if you don't need ever, just close from here. And you can enable from here again blades. So it will come back again. And here are blade. You can refresh the window to come up all the thing again. And just okay. And now everything is available back if you need. Okay. So this was the main page of Gaia portal. So we discuss about navigation tree, we discuss about overview page, we discuss about the what is called widgets, we discuss about toolbar, we discuss about search tool. Okay, what else? So let's go down. So configuration lock, I already told you. If this lock, it means this is lock. Now it's lock. It means I cannot do any changes here. Okay, and if it is a pencil icon, it means you can read write. So these are the configuration lock. Toolbar, I told you there are 3 things available. Okay, one is terminal, next one is the configuration log, and then we have a scratch pad to write something. Search tool, I already, if you want to search anything, so you can easily use this search tool. Navigation tree, we discussed there are 2 mode, basic and advanced, and you can minimize them as well. And here you can close and you can open them. And there are 2 mode, basic and advanced. Now the status bar. The status bar, which is on the bottom of the window, it will show you the recent last configuration. So let's go back, and there is, small this one arrow. If you click, it will show you status bar history. Nothing has changed yet. So if I go to ARP and let me do something, you can click to minimize, by the way. let me minimize and refresh. So let me go back and let's do some changes. Let me go to a network interface and let's what I can do, let me change the IP address. Okay, configuration is locked because I cannot do it. Say configuration database is currently locked by another user. So I need to click and yes, then I can do some changes now. So let me go to ARP and let's add something. Suppose 1.1.1.1 and let me write down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and okay. Yeah, it's not belong. Let me do some changes. I just want to show you. Let me change the time. Okay, and it's okay. And let me do this one. Okay, and now let's go to this one. You see, they say that save successfully, and I done some wrong things, so it's showing me that one as well. So this is called status bar, which is located in the bottom of window. You need to click the arrow. It will show you the result of last configuration operation. To see history of the configuration, so just you need to click and it will show you. So when I click, it show me that you done two things, one wrong and one we save the changes. So let me go back and let me do again this back to this normal. And if I click back, so now you see there are three things available. So this is status bar. Next thing, widgets. I already told you about the widgets, system overview, blade, network configuration, CPU monitor, memory monitor, packet rate, and throughput. Okay. Last thing, and this Gaia portal, there are two main things. One is called configuration tab. The configuration tab let you see and configure the parameter, feature, and setting. You know, configuration tab, let me take you there. Here, network interface is on the up. There are two things mentioned. One is configuration, next is monitor. If I want to configure anything, so I'm in the configuration already, just click and configure anything. Whatever you like you want to edit this interface, edit them, whatever. But if you want to monitor them, if you want to see the statistics, the data, then click on monitor. Now you see it's change. It says that this interface is these packet, these are the error, and these are the drop, etc. Same as in ARP. So if I go to monitor, it will show me the ARP to monitor something. It's like a show command, you see. And this one is the configuration. So these are two very important things. So if you want to configure anything, you need to click on configuration and you can configure such as interfaces. The monitor tab let you see the status and detail statistics in real time, especially for routing, and we can use them for the group, and we can use for anything, for cluster, and a lot of things you can use them. And it's available mostly in everywhere, and DHCP server. You know, it's now available, not available here, only configuration. If I go to host, so only configuration. IPv4 static route, yes. So we can configure, so I'm in configuration tab. But if I want to see the statistics of static route, click on monitor. Now they say there is a default route, which is cost this one and age is this one. Now 1437. And if I want to configure static route, click on configuration tab. Same as time. So only configuration is available. SNMP is not configured. So if I go back to DHCP relay, again is available. You want to configure DHCP relay, either you want to monitor, you want to see the statistics, you want to see the status, click on monitor. So it will show you the monitor. So these are the two important tabs which is available mostly in every configuration, if it is available there. And you want, so these were two main things, and this was Gaia portal. So we check Gaia portal, and you can access Gaia portal through web browser, and we discuss about it.